this going to end? I've never seen something like this. So we continue to wait here live. Really weird police chase. If you're just joining us, thank you so much for being part of the News Now experience. Fox10Phoenix.com. We are worldwide here for you. And I don't know how this is going to end, but we're going to continue to wait and see. I mean, eventually the police are going to have to do something a little bit different here. We could be, folks, looking at the slowest police chase we've ever seen. I'll put that on record. And here we go. He guns it again. Once again, and we're off. Boy, come on. Stop putting people's lives at risk here. All right, that's going to go a little bit in and out. Stay with us. Come on, Sky Fox, get that signal back. Get it back. If you're just joining us, this is what the suspect's been doing. He'll speed on, and then maybe a couple of minutes from now, he'll slow down all the way to a complete stop, only to jump on that gas again. Did Sky Fox lose it? Come on, Sky Fox, don't lose it on me now. There we go. Just went off on the side roads here. Perfect opportunity for him to go slower. Now we're going to get caught up in these buildings here. Come on, Sky Fox. Stay with us here. All right, we've got a better view now. Buildings are out of the way here. Sky Fox doing a great job of keeping us focused here. You see that guy getting out of the way. He knows what's happening. Side roads now. You got to say, though, the suspect has not been doing anything erratic because he has been going so slow. So when you think of police chases, you probably think the direct opposite, someone that's gunning in and out. See, now here we go again, stopping. Here we go again. This is what we've been seeing. Now guns it here. Thank you to all our viewers here worldwide on News Now, part of Fox10Phoenix.com. We really do appreciate you joining us here for this stop and go chase. That's what I'm going to call it, folks, the stop and go. The more the suspect continues to be on the run, the more he puts people's lives at jeopardy, unfortunately. So hopefully they'll be able to get this guy somehow, some way. Come on, police, get it right in there. Looks like he might want to go try to get back on the highway there. He doesn't like these side streets. Did he stop in the tunnel? Nope. Come on, Sky Fox. Come on, Sky Fox, don't lose it now. There we go. He's trying to relocate him. He got back on the highway here, and our Sky Fox just cannot get it. What's going to happen next, folks? Will we see the police chase end, or will Sky Fox get lost? Here we go. We're back at it. We are back at it here for you.
Oh, that's the D-back spoof.
Just never know how these things are all going to end, right? So what we can say, though, is the suspect is now... Oh, something came off that that car right there. We just saw that. What we can say is the suspect really hasn't been too erratic. Hasn't been switching in and out of lanes. The only thing he's been doing bizarre is we'll just stop on a dime on you, then cause traffic headaches. Okay, wants to get off the highway now. So he's the stop and go, on and off highway suspect here. All righty. Here we go, and we continue on here on News Now. Thank you so much for joining us here. And now he has been picking up that speed. Notice how I said just about 2 minutes ago, hey, well, at least he's not being erratic. Now he is. Now he's, he almost did it right there. Boy, he almost lost the handle on that one as he almost got diced in the middle of that intersection. Now he's getting really erratic there. He got loose there for a moment. I thought he was going to wipe out, but he didn't. He was able to hang on to that vehicle somehow. And you know that the owner is somehow watching this because this is a stolen vehicle, suspected. You know that owner's watching right now saying, ooh-wee. Wow, that was a close one. That's why I say the more this guy is out and about here, he's putting more lives at risk here, and we're hoping that this is going to come out somehow safe for everyone involved here, including Los Angeles' finest here. But boy, he's going in circles now. Oh, look at this. Here we go. What's happening now? He has fans here, apparently. He has fans. Oh, wow. This is now getting really bizarre. Okay, he's coming. Oh, boy. Now he's doing donuts. He's doing donuts, too. Oh, boy. How is this going to end? Oh, no. What's he going to do here? He sees this person. Another Yui. Why not? He's going back here. What could happen now? What does he want from these? This is something. Just having a casual conversation right now. Here comes police. Here comes police.
California.
Here we go. So this has been one of the weirdest ones that we've seen in quite some time. Hit that like button if you agree, because I definitely do. Thanks so much for being part of this. Okay, well, I thought he was going to do a Yui there again, but no, he's going now just down these side streets. Seems to be talking to people in the community. And this is a report of a stolen vehicle. Alrighty, another Yui. All right, here we go. Another situation where it's a stop and go. We continue to follow along here on News Now. Side streets in LA. What's going to happen next? Nobody knows, but we all know this one. Hopefully the police stay safe. Hopefully everyone in this community will stay safe as well. More police now getting into the area. Come on, please. We need something to happen here. We need to get this crazy guy off the streets here. He's going to get in some sort of accident or worse. And here we go. So you're part of all of the News Now experience right here on maybe a record day for a bizarre chase that he really seems to be egging on the police, stopping and going, slowing and speeding. No. Now we get the slow one again. Stops on a dime. So you're just egging on the police. Been doing this for the last 15 minutes, everyone. Thanks to the more than 4,000 of you watching live here with us. More will be watching, obviously, when this is not live, but thank you for being part of it, wanting to see how this all unfold. Well, I'm glad I got plenty of water up here, too. This could go all day.
Okay, I think they want me out there at 2:30 in case first I'm
Yeah, absolutely. I know exactly what happened. Because I almost did it today. Wait, what's the whole schedule? Is the first thing I
Oh, it's a locker.
Well, that's right.
Come on, right there would have been the opportunity. Boy, they had that opportunity right there to pin him. So now he starts to get a little bit more erratic. Man, please, I just hope there's no little kids playing around these streets here, and then he just comes and hits them.
I hear you, man. I've done it too.
He has to be looking for a way to ditch somewhere. He won't get far. Wants another Yui? No. So the police continue to follow. We continue to follow along on Sky Fox. You're watching live here on News Now. One of the most top 3 weirdest police chases I have ever seen here. Ooh, got him. Okay, they pinned him right there, but it wasn't enough. It wasn't enough. Oh boy, they hit him, but they just pushed him along there in the center of that intersection, and he was able to weasel out.
Yeah, that was the.
Okay, here we go again. What will happen next? Stay with us.
No, the basketball guys
Okay, this is when I always get nervous when they go through these intersections. They just blaze right through them. We saw earlier he almost got hit bad. Got sideswiped a little, but was able to hang on while the car was loose. You can see the people in the community continue just to watch along, seeing the spectacle. You think it's all fun and games, but it's really not. Police had that opportunity. That was really the second or third time that they had it. They took it. They were able to hit him, but it wasn't enough to get him pinned. And here we go. It went from a freeway chase to now all these side streets in LA.
this, they try to end quickly because it's ridiculous. Like running through, going on. They had their motor right there.
Stay with us here, folks. We are watching live here on News Now. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. If you're new to the stream here, we do stream worldwide events here for you as they are happening live. And a lot of the times they are police chases, and majority of times they are in this Los Angeles area. Ditching something. He ditched something, everyone.
You're not even going to take it for littering. I literally took the charge.
Okay, you can see that. You can see where the cops hit him there, and that backs. Okay, another donut, another donut. He's really trying to get the police off their game because he was able.
No, not right at the top. She's actually.
Okay, this is now getting into the most weirdest category we have seen. Great job there, pinned him, get him right to the curb there. Here we go. Now they're really taking him for a ride. Okay, and they got the parked car. Viewer discretion advised, everyone. Wow, you're hearing all the commotion there in the background. The newsroom is watching as well. Police there, they have them cornered. Viewer discretion heavily advised. We don't know what will happen next. So this was a suspected stolen vehicle. You know the owner. Can't be happy right now. You see the airbags were deployed there. He's climbing out now. And no shirt on either. He's on now the hood of the police vehicle. And there we go. We have a successful takedown from the police. From donuts in the intersection to a takedown.